is Potronix Spark charger, which is usable for motorcycle and both scooters also. This is the voltage that's there in the battery now. Well, boys and girls, welcome back to our channel. So this is the PC which I had bought before 6 or 7 years back when the YouTube journey started. So now it's completely broken. This is i5 5th generation with 4GB graphic card, 4TB 1TB series core here, and 16GB single slot RAM and 256GB M2. This is the full config which I built, and this got a Cooler Masters cabinet too. It's broke down now, and I'm fully standard of I have no media now in making the videos now. So well, that's not the matter here now. So I wanted to focus on one thing. So this is Potronix Spark charger, which is usable for motorcycle and both scooters also. It's got a voltage LED and a digital display too. So this is 600 rupees, and this 10 rupees installation tape is the one that is required to have this fully called as DIY, do it yourself. So here they have also given a 1 meter cable also. One is a positive cord and the one is a negative cord. Basically in scooters, what you have to do is you have to plug a hole and plug this in directly, and you have a small nut here. You just tighten it from the back, and this will be projected towards the frame outside. But in this motorcycles, we don't have such an option, but still you can plug this here in here. This is a Dominar 400 2021. You can plug this in here, make a hole, drill, or do whatever that is suitable according to you. But what I will do is, this is something, a clamp which is from the previous, some basic USB, some charger. So this had broken before. I did some jugards, Fevikwik, and some sand, M-sand, sticking all the way. This is a jugard that I done. You can do all this yourself. Just they have given you all the cables here. Plug this to the positive terminal and plug this to the negative terminal. And in the same way, of the dock of the charger also, they have marked a plus mark here and the negative mark here. Plug the red cable to the positive and black to the negative terminal. And you don't need a switch for this. There's a switch here. Let me show you after fixing this how this will do and how this looks. If you think this video is helpful for you, do drop a like or comment, and that can help reach out many more audience or who is in need of this pretty small charger, which has a 6 months warranty too. 6 months warranty has to be registered with the QR code that has been given here. Product description and the link to buy this will be in the description below of this video. So please let me get into the fitting of this. So fix this, I'll show you. This is the voltage that's there in the battery now. And people have asked me, after you put all these devices, will the battery not get low, or will it not lose the power, or battery getting weak? But see this 12.9 volts, right? So let me switch on the ignition now. Okay, it came to 12.8, 12.7. It's dropping now, right? But as soon as the engine kicks in, there is 13 to 14 volts that will be coming up here. I'll show you. So when the engine is on, you can say that nothing is gonna affect your battery or the voltage, or you have a question that is coming down. I'll show you. This is the best example that I can show you. This is going 12.6 now. Let me kick in starter for you now. So when the starter goes on, the voltage will drop to somewhere around 9 to 10 volts now. Okay, now the engine has come up. Now it's gone to 13.9 volt. Now I'm switching on the MATA and the USB charger and the music system also. And There is a small fork there, that also, and the wireless charger. I switched on everything that is there here. There is nothing else there that has to be powered off. See this. All the lights have been switched on. Now let me show you the voltage. See that? It's constant. It's not dropping now. I have two LEDs here too. It never drops. It's 13.7, right? So let me switch off this mat up for you. See now. It's going to 14 volts. I'll switch off all this now.
The radio mode up.
Everything switched off, staying in 14 volts. Switching off the engine, the voltage will now drop to 12.6, or the voltage or the charge is dropping now. This Mad Dog is the only thing that is consuming too much of power here. 12.6 here, switching on, 12.3, 12.2. See how fast the figures are going down. It shouldn't reduce to 12 to get the ignition or the charger. As I said to you earlier, you add on anything to this, make sure you run it when your engines are on, and don't overload it. Make sure your wiring is very perfect. So what I'll suggest you is, do not leave the wires unattended or unmasked or untaped or such. Always keep the wires taped, tucked, and very perfectly tagged. Do not leave the cables loose, and do not keep the ignition on for longer time. Always keep the ignition off when it's not in use. And let me switch off. See that voltage is dropping. So keep the ignitions off and all these devices switched off in condition when the engine is not in the switch on condition. So this is the end of this video. I think you like this. Please do drop a like and comment on this video if this was really informative. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. So I'll be not uploading any more travel videos until I get the system repaired or sorted out, because this might cost me somewhere around 40k or 50k to build a new PC. So it's very expensive for me at this moment, because I have a few other commitments which has to be taken over by next month. So as we all know that my main intention of is not making a video. My intention is traveling. So if I fund for this PC, I'll be without traveling. So that's the only thing that I'll be now left over. So anyways, take care of yourself now. I'll see you in another video. Until then,